G'day, this is Dan Jones from the Boat Brokerage. Going to take you on a quick interior walkthrough of our 1986 Riviera 32 Flybridge we have for sale. This boat's just undergone a complete refit, inside and out, mainly the two new Volvo 165 horsepower engines, totally reconditioned from top to bottom. A lot of money spent and full receipts available. Starting on the left hand side here, we've got the saloon with new upholstery, as you can see. That's faux leather upholstery. We've got new carpet all the way through the saloon. All LED lighting throughout. Like all Rivieras, it's got your storage along the starboard side. Lower helm station with dual controls. CD stereo, control panel. And I'll just do a close-up of the hours meter. We're on 24.5 hours there, so not even run in. On the left hand side, or port side, we've got the standard Riviera U-shaped galley. That's got an Engel fridge, that's an electric gas fridge, and a Horizon stove, which is a 2-burner gas oven. Stainless steel sink with hot and cold water, plenty of storage. Going below, new carpets laid down below as well. On the port side, we've got the private toilet. That's an electric macerated toilet, hot and cold shower, vanity area, and there is a holding tank on this boat. To starboard, we've got the guest accommodation. That's a 2-burner bed, sorry, not 2-burner, that is a double bed, I should say. There's a privacy screen to block you out from the saloon, and a hatch for ventilation, and a bit of storage just here, as you can see. Moving forward, you've got the V-berth. There's an infill to create a proper double. 3 opening hatches for ventilation. Lights, and also a privacy screen for the cabin. Okay, that's your quick interior walkthrough of the 1986 Riviera 32 Flybridge.